Hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, this is only a day after I made the last video, but poor Jenny still got her Elizabeth I rough on here. Still biting the paws. We have taken it off, but until that's completely healed up, we'll have to leave that on for her. I'll take it off when she goes for a walk though. But today it's going to be a little review. It's the Evolution vacuum cleaner for the workshop. So I'm just going to show you. I've been quite impressed with it. That's why I thought it was worth showing you. So come and have a look inside, and we'll do a little review on it. Welcome to this little review on the Evolution vacuum cleaner. Before we start doing this, obviously I'm still on my temporary electrical light in here at the moment. The electrician, this should be going out on the Saturday. The electrician apparently is going to come on Monday the 21st, so we should have proper electricity back in the shed. But before I start, I just wanted to show you a bit of the story. This was sent to me, this Evolution screwdriver was sent to me with from Gary Butler, Martin Butler at Retro Restore, Gary Butler at Project Man. So that has been an absolute godsend, absolutely fantastic drill and a screwdriver. So it's got built-in light and everything, absolutely fantastic. And also Tom from Evolution Tools was kind enough when I first had the fire to actually send me this drill, circular saw, and that has been a godsend, cutting up the old burnt shed and also doing paneling and things like that. Absolutely fantastic. So I have been very impressed with Evolution Tools, and I decided, in a way of paying back Evolution Tools, I'd buy a vacuum cleaner for the shed. I lost the other one, forgot all about it really, about a vacuum cleaner, but that was lost in the shed, melted completely, totally forgot about it. So towards the end I thought, oh my god, I haven't even got a vacuum cleaner. So I looked up Evolution Tools, and they do have a workshop vacuum cleaner. So I'll put this over on one side and I'll come back to you with the vacuum cleaner. Well, here it is, the Evolution R15 vac. It's mainly made as a workshop hoover, vacuum cleaner. I hadn't really had much chance to look at it. It's just I've been so busy, but I have used it just to test it the other day, and it's absolutely quite fantastic. We obviously got the cables that tie on in the end here. This is what I was quite amazed about. I'll come back to show you this very shortly, but you've got the little the container underneath here, and it's a wet and dry. So at the moment it's got the dry dust filter in there, and then you can just unturn that and screw it, and then that should just slide off. It's sealed in with the rubber, and if you wanted to go for sucking up water or liquids, then you would just put on this. It's like most wet and dries. You just put this on, and that will be good for sucking up liquids. So I'll just put that on temporary. That's a nice easy fit. It just slides over there and lock it in. So we'll just leave that in there for now. So we click that down. Now this is what I was impressed about. Obviously you've got your on and off switch there, and I thought, why do we have a 13 amp socket in here? No idea. Anyway, I read the instructions. So there's two modes in this. This is in the center position, which is off. This will be to switch it on, and then you've got position 2, which is standby. Now this is how I found out that it was quite impressed with it. I don't actually have any power tools, but I do, like the electric saw, but it's rechargeable. But what you do, if we just switch this on into my temporary electrical system here, and you've got your hose here, we'll switch this on. It's extremely strong, and then at the back here you've just got, just undo this somehow, if I can remember how you do it, there we go, that lifts up, and then you've got your little crevice tool, which is going to be great for doing the car as well. Around the back you've got the two longer tools, which you know, for doing carpets or whatever. So that's that side of things. Now I haven't tried this idea yet, but we'll see if it works. This is at the moment the only electric power tool I do have. This was also sent to me by Gary from Retro Restore, so thank you, Gary. This has been fantastic. With it's got LED display and on what speed and everything. That's been fantastic. So the whole purpose of this is you put this might not work, but this is what it's for. You put that in position 2, which actually puts the Hoover or vacuum cleaner into standby mode. So if you put in your plug into there, and this is really for like circular saws where you can plug in the hose to the back of the saw, and as soon as you switch on the electrical device, as I say, this might not work first time. There we go. Switch it off. And it automatically switches off, which I think is a fantastic idea. So you could be using your circular saw, plugging your hose to the end of the saw, and as soon as you switch on the saw, it automatically start the vacuum cleaner, so you don't have to switch the vacuum cleaner on, and you know, that way. So that's in standby mode, and as soon as you switch the electrical device on, that then triggers the Hoover to work, and as soon as you switch it off, it automatically goes off, and then you just put it back into the central position, which is off. And if you wanted it on again as normal, you just push that. But as I say, I have been very impressed with Evolution Tools, and I'm so grateful for Tom sending me the circular saw, and for Gary Butler sending me the screwdriver, and so I am very impressed with Evolution Tools. I will leave a link to this one on Amazon, from Amazon. At the moment it was £99, but on Amazon at the moment it's 20% off. But whether it'll still be the same this Saturday as this comes out, I'm not sure. But you may be able to find it cheaper on eBay or something like that, or Tool Station or Screwfix. So I hope you enjoyed this little review. I haven't done many reviews, but I have been so impressed with this. So I just thought I'd share this with you. Absolutely fantastic idea that it automatically switches itself on when you're using power tools. So thank you for joining us on this one. So thanks again for watching this review. Jenny hasn't moved much. She actually does enjoy being by the back of this shed now because it's a lot cooler. And as I mentioned, we will have the electric back by the time we do the next video. So that's when I'll be thinking about doing the live feed, all being well, if I can organise that. So on behalf of Jenny and myself, please subscribe if you like the videos, and thank you for watching. Does she want to play with her toy? Yes, she does. She likes her toy. Anyway, you take care out there, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.